I'm very eager to unbox the Vivo V20, this phone, the 2021 model. So let's start the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrahtech. In this channel, I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, and some unboxing videos like this one. And I also do some tips and tricks videos which will be useful for you in your life, so you can rock the world through technology. So let us unbox this Vivo V20. Yeah, this is the package which I received and bought this phone for 21,000 rupees in India. You may see in Amazon Flipkart it comes around 24,000. Yeah, you may ask, but I exchanged my phone for 3,000 rupees. So I got this for 21,000. But the current price for this phone is 24,000 Indian rupee. Yeah, in the front you can see the V20, the name of the phone. It is pretty much attractive. It has a gold shiny thing like that one, and on the back side it says 44 megapixel eye autofocus. Yeah, it's really amazing, and it has ultra sleek matte glass. Let's check. I'm eager to check what is that. And it also says 64 megapixel night camera. So let's not waste our time and let me open it. Okay, let me open the box. There's another branding of Vivo. Yeah, let us remove that one. Yeah, something is there inside, so I will let you know later. Let us keep aside. Yeah, inside it has the cool Vivo V20 phone. Yeah, it's easy to take it off. Yeah, it's pretty much sleek. Yeah, right, it has matte finish. Yeah, the glassy, it's somewhat shiny here. Okay, let us take this afterwards. Keep aside. It has a fast charger inside which says Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. It is the 33-watt fast charger. So let us check in the full review video afterwards. Yeah, let me keep this one aside. Yeah, it also has the USB type C cable for the charger, for the phone to charge. Yeah, let us keep this one also aside. And there's another thing inside the box. It is the headphone. Yeah, nowadays no one is giving headphones for the phones mobile you're getting. Even Samsung, I don't want to talk about Apple, they're not giving you the charger. Okay, let us keep this one aside. Yeah, nothing is there inside the box. Yeah, the top cover took off and nothing is there inside. So that's it. So let us check this cover. Yeah, they have given a case, a rubber case. It's pretty much okay. Nowadays they're giving cases in all the boxes for the phone, so no issues in that. And they also given user guide. It says Vivo V2040. Yeah, what is this one? I am astonished about the name. Just they'll say the blah blah over this phone, so let us keep this one aside. And they also give a SIM ejector tool which is present here. So for putting the SIM cards, memory cards, we can use this one. Now let us check the phone. Let me take this one out. Yeah, it's pretty much tight. Yeah, it's very much tight. Let me switch on the phone and then talk about it so it will get passed by. Yeah, and it's pretty much sleek. Yeah, the phone is really sleek. Yeah, it's very much what to say, it's very thin and less weight, and they have a water drop notch camera. Yeah, they have a speaker, earphone speaker at the top, and also a headphone jack. Yeah, it's very much useful. And they also have a USB type C cable and a speaker, and on the side they have a power button, also a volume rocker. Yeah, the power button is very much down below, so it's very much useful for unlocking the phone, rather than if it is above, it will be very much difficult. Yeah, there is no fingerprint on the back side, but I think they have the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is really cool, but I have not registered the fingerprint, so let me register and show it in the next video. And on the left side they have SIM ejector tool. At the top they have a microphone, so nothing is there. So that's it, nothing much. At the back side they have triple camera setup and a flashlight. It's dual LED. Yeah, it's dual LED flashlight they have given. Yeah, and also a branding, Vivo branding here. Yeah, this phone is really less weight when compared to other phones like Redmi Note 9, Note 9 Pro. They come around 200 grams, but this comes around 170 grams approximately. Yeah, it's very less weight. It's very useful. So that's it about the exterior of this phone. So let me set up the phone. This is the Vivo V20 phone on the interior side. It's very much responsive to touch and also very fast, but they didn't give a higher refresh rate like 90 Hz or 120 Hz. It's just the 60 Hz panel. But you may think for 20,000 budget they should have given a phone with 90 Hz display, but they didn't do so. And it has a 730G Snapdragon chipset, which is old one. Yeah, it's old chipset. Yeah, I don't know why they I don't know why they kept this chipset here. I'm pretty much disappointed about this chipset, but anyways, the performance is really awesome. I would not say any lag in that one, so that's my concern. And the screen is 6.4 inches long, It has an AMOLED screen. Yeah, it has a 2.5 curved display. It holds up to 8 GB RAM with 4000 milliamp battery. Yeah, I would not say any issues with the battery. It lasts for 2 solid days approximately if you are a very normal user. But for gamers like that one, it lasts approximately for 1 day maximum. Yeah, if you struggle with that phone, it comes. Regarding charging speed, it has 33-watt fast charger, this one. So I think we can charge the phone very fast, approximately within an hour it get the full charge, I think so. So let me do a full review video on this one and then post it afterwards, so you can check my video in my channel. So to watch that one, you should subscribe here. Honestly, I would say this phone performs really well. It's fantabulous, it's awesome, it's amazing, it's where level. So that's it about this unboxing video. So to watch my full review video, subscribe down here, and you can also see the video link in the description below if you are seeing this video after months. So share this video to all. This phone is really awesome. It's a 2021 blockbuster. Yeah, blockbuster. Yeah, somewhat like that. Yeah, it's really cool. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You can follow me so that I will post some daily updates. You can be in touch with me. So finally, that's it about this unboxing video of this Vivo. So see you next video. This is Rais Ahmed from Qurrah Tech. Bye bye.